Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and exact OS. This prevents the wrong driver. Once done, make sure you've backed up critical files and created a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Device Manager or the vendor's download page. That's where you'll fetch the correct driver files. Don't skip matching version numbers and architecture. That's why installations fail. Now proceed to download or select the device you intend to update. You'll now perform the actual installation. Run the vendor installer as administrator or use Device Manager's Update Driver Flow. If you have a downloaded package, choose Browse My Computer and point to the extracted driver. If unsure, use Search automatically to let Windows find a compatible driver. Watch for prompts to accept certificates or device restarts. Once the installer runs, monitor progress and do not interrupt power. If a reboot is requested, allow it so kernel modules and services. After reboot, you verify the update by checking the driver version in Device Manager and testing the hardware under normal workloads. If something's wrong, immediately roll back the driver from Device Manager or use your restore point. That's why you made it. If rollback fails, boot to safe mode to uninstall the driver and reinstall the correct package. Finally, make sure firmware and chipset drivers are up to date. When problems persist, contact vendor support with logs and device details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.